How to remove photos from Tinder profile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove photos from Tinder profile. To do so, first of all, open your Tinder application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and this will take you to the profile page. Here, tap on the pencil icon just above your profile picture. By doing so, you will be able to see this edit profile section. Now to remove the photos, you will need to simply tap on the cross button at the bottom right of each of these photos. Once you tap on it, at the bottom you will be able to see these options. Select delete photo from the option and this will help you to remove the photo. Now you can simply repeat the same process in order to delete the photos. Note that you won't be able to delete two of your photos from your Tinder profile. You won't get to see any cross button at the right side of these photos. Instead, you will be able to see the pencil icon. Simply tap on the pencil icon and then at the bottom you will be able to get two different options. Add new photo or replace this photo. There isn't any delete photo option here. If you don't want to show any photos or pictures on your Tinder profile, you can simply replace this photo with a black screen. To do so, you can tap on this replace photo option, tap on this upload from gallery, and from your gallery choose a black screen photo and then tap on the next button at the top right. You can repeat the same process in the next one, and after you upload these photos, now you can remove your photo from here. Simply tap on the cross button of the photos that you want to remove, select delete photo, and the photos from your Tinder profile will be removed. Now when you go to your profile, you won't see any picture on your Tinder profile. So this is how you can remove photos from Tinder profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.